Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a truly fascinating topic: hyper-realistic masks and silicone suits. If you've ever wondered how actors transform their appearance so drastically for roles, or how such incredibly lifelike masks are made, this video is for you. Grab a seat, and let's explore the stunning technology behind these creations. First up, let's talk about a company that's leading the charge in the world of hyper-realistic masks: Metamorphose Masks. Based in the UK, known for their incredibly realistic silicone masks, this company uses advanced technologies and materials to create masks so lifelike they can deceive even the most attentive observer. These masks are made from high-quality silicone and precision dyes, and the level of detail is absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine a mask that looks just like a human face, from every wrinkle and pore to the texture of the skin. This is the result of painstaking effort and innovative techniques that aim to create the most realistic human-like mask possible. So, what's the process behind making these masks? It all begins with a digital model of the face. A computer model is created to capture every detail, down to the smallest features. After that, a silicone mold is formed, which will eventually become the mask. The key here is capturing all the intricate details, like wrinkles, pores, and even the texture of the skin. It's this attention to detail that makes these masks so incredibly lifelike. Next, the mold is hand-painted, which adds an extra layer of realism. The specialists at Metamorphose pay extreme attention to details like eye color, hair texture, and even expression lines. These are the elements that make the mask look so much like a real human face. It's truly an art form and a testament to the skill of the craftsmen involved, but the work doesn't stop there. These masks are used for a variety of purposes, ranging from film production to security and forensic science. In films, these hyper-realistic masks are used for special effects or makeup transformations, allowing actors to become completely different characters without relying on complex computer modeling. They're also in high demand for covert operations or experiments in security fields, adding an element of realism that's hard to match. However, this technology also comes with some risks. Because these masks are so realistic, they can be used for criminal activities. For example, a mask could be used to disguise someone's identity while committing a crime or to deceive surveillance systems. This creates new challenges for security and identification, especially in a world where facial recognition technology is becoming more widespread. One of the most popular masks in Metamorphose's lineup is the Elder Mask. This particular mask is considered the pinnacle of silicone mask design, combining superior craftsmanship with cutting-edge features. It's made from platinum-grade silicone, which is known for its exceptional flexibility and durability. The result, a mask that's not only incredibly realistic, but also comfortable to wear for extended periods. One of the most impressive features of the Elder Mask is its seamless eye holes. They've been specially designed to be as small and comfortable as possible, which enhances the mask's realism. The mask is also reinforced with a power mesh system that helps maintain durability, especially in areas like the mouth, eyes, ears, and nose. What makes the Elder Mask stand out even more is its ability to allow for natural facial expressions. Thanks to a sophisticated lip cupping system, the mask is able to mimic realistic mouth movements. This makes it ideal for actors or performers who need to express emotions convincingly. Additionally, the mask features a fully adjustable nose bridge to ensure a perfect fit, making the mask even more comfortable for the wearer. Metamorphose has truly pushed the boundaries of hyper-realistic silicone mask design with the Elder Mask. It's a perfect blend of comfort, durability, and, of course, realism. Whether you're using it for a performance or as part of a special effects setup, this mask is a game-changer in the world of mask technology. But Metamorphose isn't the only company making waves in this field. In the United States, another company called Rainer is creating something equally impressive: full-body silicone suits. These suits allow individuals to transform their entire appearance, from head to toe. It's a complete transformation. Think of a man becoming a woman or vice versa. These suits offer a truly unique experience, giving people the chance to take on an entirely new persona. The suits are made from high-quality silicone, just like the masks, and they have realistic skin textures and natural movements. What's even more impressive is the level of detail that goes into the design of these suits. The company takes great care to create accurate body proportions, including facial features, hands, feet, and more. The result is a suit that doesn't just look realistic, but also feels natural to wear. The suits are designed with anatomical considerations in mind, meaning that the wearer can move freely and comfortably while in the suit. They're also hypoallergenic, making them safe for extended wear. Whether you're using these suits for performances, theatrical productions, or personal experiences, they provide a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to experience a full-body transformation. In Japan, a shop called KANOT is creating something truly revolutionary: 3D printed hyperrealistic masks. These masks are designed to mimic the appearance of a real human face so closely that they're virtually indistinguishable from the real thing. The technology behind these masks is incredible, as they're printed using high-resolution images of a person's face. The shop owner, Shuei Okawara, began producing these masks for theatrical and film productions, but quickly realized the demand for such hyperrealistic creations among the general public. In fact, since launching the project, Okawara has received thousands of requests from people who want to provide their portraits for mass production. The masks are printed on 3D printers, and thanks to advanced technology, they're able to replicate the most intricate features of a person's face. These masks have gained significant popularity, especially in Tokyo, where they're available for sale at the KANOT shop. The price for a single mask is around $950, which might sound steep, but the demand for these hyperrealistic masks has been growing. People are willing to pay a premium for the opportunity to literally wear another person's face. Shuei Okawara isn't the first to venture into the world of hyperrealistic masks, but he's certainly made a name for himself. The technology he uses is capable of producing up to 100 identical masks per month, and with the growing interest, he plans to expand the range of masks to include people from various ethnic backgrounds. The potential for these masks is limitless. They're not just limited to film or theater. These hyper-realistic masks can be used for cosplay, personal identity exploration, or even as part of a larger creative project. The technology is still in its early stages, but the possibilities are exciting, and it will be interesting to see how this field evolves over time. Moving on to another artist making a name for himself in the world of hyper-realistic masks, Landon Meyer. Based in the United States, Meyer's company, Hyperflesh, has become famous for creating some of the most lifelike latex masks on the market. His creations are so realistic that they've earned a spot in many collectors' collections. Landon first gained attention in 2011 when his creepy yet incredibly realistic baby masks went viral online. The masks were so lifelike that they sent a chill down many people's spines, but at the same time, they fascinated audiences. Thanks to this viral success, demand for his masks skyrocketed, and sales increased dramatically. Next video.